What's up everybody, it's Moneymaker here, and let's talk trading, specifically the language of candlestick patterns. If you're serious about leveling up your trading game, understanding these patterns is non-negotiable. Why? Because they're like footprints in the market, giving us clues about where the price might be heading. They help us make sense of the constant price swings and potentially profit from them. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful bullish reversal pattern, the Morning Star. Get ready to add a new weapon to your trading arsenal. Alright, let's break down the anatomy of this bullish signal, the Morning Star pattern. Picture this. You've been watching a stock, and it's been on a downward trend, red candlesticks dominating the chart. It's like that feeling when you're stuck in traffic, and everyone's honking. Stressful, right? But then, a glimmer of hope emerges, a pattern that signals a potential shift in momentum. The Morning Star. The first candlestick in this pattern is a long bearish candle, confirming the prevailing downtrend. This is our confirmation that the bears are in control, at least for now. We see a strong downward move, and it can be tempting to think the stock is going nowhere but down. But remember, we're looking for reversals, those moments where the tide turns. Now the second candlestick, this is where things get interesting. It's a small-bodied candle, either bullish or bearish. The color doesn't matter as much here. The key takeaway is that this candle gaps down, opening below the previous day's close. This gap signifies a potential shift in sentiment, almost like the market is taking a breather, unsure of its next move. Think of it like this. The bears have been pushing the price down, but now they're starting to lose steam. The third and final candle in the pattern is the confirmation we've been waiting for. It's a strong bullish candle that closes well within the body of the first bearish candle. This tells us the bulls are back in the game, pushing the price back up with conviction. They're seeing value at this level and they're buying aggressively, driving the price upward. So, why is the Morning Star pattern so powerful? Because it signals a potential reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. It's like that moment when you're driving and the traffic finally starts to clear, a sign of relief and optimism. Traders often use the Morning Star pattern to identify potential buying opportunities. When they spot this pattern forming on the chart, it's like a green light telling them to get ready to enter a trade. But remember, just like any other trading strategy, it's not foolproof. Let's talk about why this pattern is so reliable. The first candle, that long bearish candle, shows us that the sellers were in control. They were pushing the price down with force. But the second candle, that small-bodied candle, tells us that the selling pressure is starting to weaken. The bears are getting tired. And then, the third candle, that strong bullish candle, confirms that the buyers are back in control. They're pushing the price back up. This pattern is all about a shift in momentum from sellers to buyers, and when you see that shift, it's a powerful signal that the price is likely to continue moving in the direction of the new trend. Here's a real-world example. Imagine you're watching a stock that's been in a downtrend for a few weeks. You see a long bearish candle on Monday, followed by a small-bodied candle on Tuesday, and then a strong bullish candle on Wednesday, closing well within the body of Monday's candle. This is a classic Morning Star pattern. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's great, but how do I actually use this pattern to make money? Well, one way to trade the Morning Star pattern is to wait for the pattern to complete, and then buy on the next candle's open. So, in our example, you would buy on Thursday's open. Of course, no trading strategy is perfect, and there are always risks involved. But by understanding the Morning Star pattern and how to identify it, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more profitable trader. Let's be clear though, while candlestick patterns like the Morning Star are valuable tools, they're not foolproof. It's crucial to combine them with other forms of analysis, like understanding the overall market trend, evaluating the company's fundamentals, and managing your risk effectively. So there you have it, the Morning Star pattern, a potential game changer for traders looking to capitalize on bullish reversals. Remember, understanding candlestick patterns is like learning the language of the market. The more fluent you become, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its twists and turns. But just like learning any language, it takes time, practice, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Keep studying, keep practicing, and remember that in the world of trading, knowledge is power. Stay tuned for more trading tips and insights.